Good morning. I wanted to take this time to dedicate this day as well as share with others the importance of self-love and self-care. Throughout the video, I'm going to address why self-care is important as well as ways to help improve your self-care and wellness. Something that has been new for me is waking up every morning and immediately starting to think about the things that are going to be foundational. Foundational meaning things that I know I can do every morning to set myself up. Those things for me have been making sure that I have some kind of water next to me when I go to sleep. This helps me ensure that I'm staying hydrated throughout the night, as well as making sure water's the first thing I drink in the morning. And the next thing is going to be making my bed and making sure I'm setting myself up for cleanliness and comfort. And this also makes sure that I am not getting back into the bed and pushes me to go on with the rest of my morning. So truth be told, I walked into the gym the other day, and as I was sitting there dying on the Stairmaster, I was watching this news article, and they were talking about how right now in this city, the suicide rates are higher than ever, and it's really crazy, and the city is trying to band together to stop it. That really compelled me to make this video because I've been there before. Going to the gym and dedicating moments to myself are the things that really keep me in focus and in check with my purpose. That really allows me to be there for myself. And I think that fitness is something that everyone should try and incorporate into a part of their day because it boosts your endorphins. It helps you really take the time to put into yourself. I think that you need to find a place for you that allows you to clear your head and to clear your thoughts and to really focus on the things that are making you sad. And that is a super important part of self-care, is really getting to spend that time with yourself. That is my second tip, and my second piece of advice to you guys is to find an activity or find a space that helps you clear your mind. Reach out to people if you need help, guys. I just looked over and saw that this suite has a number 111. I really think that fitness has become such an important part of my life and my feeling good about myself journey. I've addressed this on my channel several thousands of times. If you are someone who's going through a really hard time mentally, I have felt like just getting up and going to the gym allows me to really get my mind off stuff. It allows me to take myself out of the space that I'm in. And even if you can't afford a gym membership, you could still go outside, walk around outside. And going to the gym gives me a solid hour and a half to really just be in myself, and it just allows me to really focus on just what I'm doing. I used to have very bad gym anxiety. I still kind of do have bad gym anxiety because I'm trying to get out of the comfort zone of just looking like Adam Sandler when I go to the gym. Sorry, I'm gonna put my hair down because my head's hurting. It allows me to go and really focus just solely on my body, and that's all I think about when I go to the gym, which is why I also play a playlist that I enjoy, so I know that I'm not constantly skipping through my music, and I'm focusing on that. And it's just going to be about me and developing myself in these moments. And I think that is super crucial in self-love. You really have to understand when it's time to just focus on you. Speaking of things that make you feel good, I'm going to go to the grocery store to pick up a couple of things for later in the video. Grocery shopping is one of my favorite tasks. I usually like to scroll through the aisles and tune out the world. I really think grocery stores are a cool place because they really have so many great finds. Especially being a vegetarian, sometimes it's a little harder to find things that are simple and on the go, but I really implore you to pick up favorite grocery store and really see what they have and available. Treat yourself to something new. Taking care of yourself and treating yourself is important in self-love. It has really allowed me to see the things that I like, and it helps me develop a relationship standard that I feel to be healthy for what I would like to see in growing relationships with people around me. I kind of think of it like I treat people the way I want to be treated, or treat others the way you want to be treated, and this allows me to learn how I do want to be treated. So I caved in and got one of the little Banma things. So I was talking about investing in yourself. That's one of the most important parts of self-love. You know, if you invest in yourself, you have a better time, like better you, better time. A big part of me investing in myself personally is like hygiene. And I know that sounds weird because I feel like people are just like, shouldn't you always be investing in your hygiene? There are levels to investing in hygiene. If you are someone who is, you know, like buying soaps, getting deodorant, doing all that stuff, those are necessities, those are basics. I'm not here to call anybody out or nothing like that, but I am here to say, when you, or for me personally, I'm going to speak from my own personal experiences here. When I started investing in myself, like hygiene wise, I am not a makeup girly, so I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I do care a lot about my skin. And I feel like even if you are a makeup girly, a big part of it is looking at the basis of your skin. The way I think about it is you are going to spend a lot of time with your skin, a lot of time with your body, you know what I mean? So you want to invest in the things that make you happy. And I say all that because I used to just do the whole like, I'm going to make sure my skin is lotioned, moisturized, because don't want to be ashy sometimes. That was pretty much it, you know, like wash your face, put deodorant on, all that good stuff. Then I stepped into this era of like self-love for myself, and I started looking into things like serums and oils and moisturizers and all of that kind of stuff. I started really paying attention to the things that are good for my body and for my skin, and the things that aren't good for me and for my skin. I learned like what kind of skin I have. Like I learned that I have combination skin. It's not about spending the money on things like this. I will say that like when I invest in myself and I take the time to understand what products and everything like that work the best for me, I feel this kind of utter sense like, oh, I'm choosing to love myself today. I'm choosing to like put this energy into me. It gives like an effect in a way. I feel very good because I am investing in me and I'm doing something that I know is going to make me feel better. Also, it's kind of like quality time with yourself. For me personally, I really love skincare because I love the fact that I get to sit here and spend this time like with myself, and it's giving me kind of these quiet moments, and moments of quiet are so very important. And like it's also very important to fill your moments of quiet with the things that you enjoy. And speaking of spending your time doing the things that you enjoy, let's go, because we're late, gotta go. For me, quiet time is very important, and I like to fill my quiet moments with things that help me think deeper, such as podcasts or a good song. I really suggest finding a good podcast or audiobook that allows you to grow yourself. And this video is a collab with one of my longtime friends, Yani, and make sure you check out her video that'll be linked in the description box.
Hey guys, so I decided I want to come on here and make a video for like self-care for like Valentine's Day coming up. And so what I did is I ordered some bath bombs from Lush. I was so excited because like I didn't go to my local Lush, but I checked to see like if you can pick it up in store, and they didn't have it in my local store. So I just ordered them and had to pay the $6 shipping, but whatever. They are so cute. I wanted like these specific ones, and I only actually wanted one, but then I saw this gift box that had the two because the one was sold out. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. I have not opened them yet, so I want to show you guys, and then keep watching for the demo. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like in the bath and everything. Just open me already. Open me already. I've been waiting to share it with you guys. I know I've been waiting. I'm so excited. This box literally smells so good. Come on. inside is. Lush is so like eco-friendly. I think these are like biodegradable. They're not regular. Oh, look! I'm yours. XXX, not XO, XXX. Oh, look! Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. So let me tell you, this is the one that I wanted. Oh, it stuck to my nail. So this is the love potion. This isn't the love potion. This is the love letter. This is the one that I wanted specifically. It's so adorable. Like, I've been obsessed with that emoji. So like, I just really, really wanted this. It's so cute, but I don't think I'm gonna show you guys this demo today. I'll show you another day. I really want to do, once I saw that it brings the love potion too, I was like, I think I want to do the love potion. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's coming off already. It's so adorable. Oh my god, it smells so good.
You look this way, then that way, then lock eyes, then look away. You look this way, then that way, then lock eyes, then look away. If I could have just one drink, no two drinks, I should stop, but think not. I'll push it till I blink till you look this way, then that way, then lock eyes, then look away.
Many of you that have joined me have started with me when my cooking journey was still just trying to find foods to eat that isn't a breakfast burrito. Making yourself meals has become one of my favorite forms of self-care. Cooking for yourself not only allows you to control exactly what you're putting into your body, but it also allows you to find new things that you enjoy, new tastes, new smells, and sometimes completely new dishes. Tonight, I am cooking a heart-shaped ravioli that I got from Trader Joe's to celebrate the occasion of self-love and self-care. I am making a Tuscan sauce to go with the ravioli, and when I tell you that I recommend this so much, this was actually so good. I'm not a chef or anything like that, and cooking can be very taxing, but it's always so rewarding. So comment below some of your favorite comfort meals. I'll start and say that mine have to be creamy mushroom ravioli with broccoli and ramen. My last self-care tip for you all is to sit down during your day. I recommend daily, but if not weekly at least, and journal your thoughts. It allows you to be very honest with where you are and talk about where you want to be. It's very freeing, and this is one of the things that really allow you to enjoy your life experience so much. That's all that I have for this video, so thank you all for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to always love yourself first.